Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, it's quick news. A quick little sum up of all the automotive news from the last few days. So let's get started. We'll go with Ford first. Some F-150s have been driving around with magnetic stickers on the side. And why is that special? Well, the F-150 is all aluminum. So people are thinking that this is a magnetic paint that Ford is using that will allow you to put your stickers on the sides. A lot of companies, they'll throw a magnetic sticker on the sides or the tailgate with their company name, their phone numbers. A lot of companies do this thing, and you can't do it with the F-150 because it's aluminum. So if they are making this magnetic paint, it'll be a cool thing. Let's go to Kia next. And basically Kia said that the K900, as well as the Cadenza, well, they're dead for 2021. And a lot of people don't even realize that those two cars exist. They actually were the flagship sedans for the Kia brand. And they're great vehicles, very luxurious. It's a very old school kind of luxurious, where it's comfortable seats, very high quality materials. They're great vehicles, and if you're looking for a luxurious vehicle, I highly recommend you look for one of these in the used car segment. Now let's go to Sony. And Sony basically said, hey, we really don't have an intention of making the Vision S prototype, which is weird because they were testing in Europe, and a lot of people were really interested in it. It's a very good looking car, and I made a whole video on it, so please check it out if you watch this. It has impressive tech, good looks, and pretty good numbers on paper. And for them to come out and say they don't want to build it, well, it's kind of weird. But maybe they looked into it, and just to make this vehicle would just cost too much in this economy going on. But anyway, flying cars. That's what we're talking about next, flying cars. And I know, way back in the day, people always dreamed that the Jetson life will come true one day. No, right now we still don't have flying cars. We're still working on drones to fly things around. But a lot of automakers are getting into the flying car business, or at least wanting to. GM and Stellantis both said, hey, they want to look into flying car technology. In my opinion, they need to take that money that they would invest into that and just spend it on EVs and hybrids, because that's the way that the economy and how vehicles are just going. After that, we go to Toyota. And basically Toyota said, hey, we're trying to trademark the Celica name. If you guys remember, the Celica was a cool coupe that they used to have for a long time. I really like the Celicas, and I wonder if they're going to bring it back as its own new model. Hopefully they don't bring it back as a crossover. A lot of vehicles, or companies I should say, bring back old nameplates and then turn them into something they used to not be. But maybe they'll turn the 86 into the Celica. That'd be kind of cool, but we'll just have to wait and see. Well, basically that was a nice little sum up of everything I had for you guys. Now please, if you haven't already and you want to, check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs. A little bit of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly appreciate you guys for watching. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so I want to thank everyone who's subscribed already. And if you haven't, you want to think about it, please do. I'd appreciate it. But please, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one.